Hi guys, it's me. I'm back. This is gonna be wicked fun. I'm a little late to the game again. This is my FabFitFun summer box. I'm a little late. I'm sorry. But I mean, I only got it like a few weeks ago. Do you like these lips? If you want to know, this color's really pretty. No, not that one. This one is by, oh, it's so gross, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Look at all the crap all over it. This is in the color Catnip. I think it's really pretty. I also have another color that I really like by them. If I'm gonna buy liquid lipsticks, I know I was just complaining about it last time. This one is in the color Madison, which I really like too. That was gonna be the name of my daughter when I was younger and thought I was gonna have lots of kids. Madison. Madison Lee was going to be her name, man. I hope you guys are doing good. The reason I wanted to do this today is that I'm going away for a few days, and I was really curious because where I'm going, something in this summer box could really come in handy, so that's what I'm doing. Like last time, I should have started opening this before I started filming. And I did it upside down. And this will probably be the most natural look you'll ever see on me. Alright. Very excited. FabFitFun. She's very pretty. You go on the floor. Oh. Hello Fresh again. $20 off your first 4 deliveries. $80 gift card. Claim within 30 days. Again. Yeah, I'm always late to that. You deserve some summer fun. I'm giving you $15 off your first FabFitFun box. Pass this on to a friend. I have no friends. But I'm fine with it. So, if anyone wants to befriend me that could use this, hit me up. I have some followers, you know. Oh, and I'm on Twitter now. Sweet Jamie Lee. Follow me. I'm tweeting. Alright. You guys ready? Are you ready? Ooh. Oh. Jennifer Zuner jewelry. It's jewelry. What is it? It's like Christmas. I love it. I love it. Come out, please. Alright, it's like a necklace. Very dainty. I'm not so much into the dainty jewelry. I usually like to go bold. But it's pretty. Next. Liquid eyeliner. I just... you know, this is always what happens to me. This is ridiculous. Look what I just bought. I just got it on Amazon. I've got eyeliners up the wazoo. Look at all the colors. Look. Alright, well, color black. I do liquid eyeliner. Oh, I do. Oh, I get it. Aw. I always thought I would be saying that one day. I do. Well, I didn't. Wow. Huh. I do. It's adorable. Open. Ooh, got that tip. Wait. Oh. Oh, I'm drawing on myself. Oh, I'll be like one of those people that have like words written on like the inside of their arms. What do they always say? Faith. Hello. Well, I have to say it's really nice. I dig it. Alright. Alright. I hear ya. Oh my. I dig that. It's really smooth. Awesome. Next. Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, it's wicked heavy. It weighs like 1.5 pounds. Rose Gold Brightening Mask. I could use that because I have a lot of skin issues. Well, I don't. Okay. I don't have the worst skin. To be honest, I have pretty good skin. But I mean, you know, I have to like exfoliate a lot. Cool. Alright. Alright, I hear ya. Next. What do we got? Exfoliating foot mask. Oh yes. Hello. Could have used this a year ago. Coconut milk, because coconut milk smooths and softens, intense hydration. Yeah. Use ideally at bedtime. Apply liberally to desired area and let dry. Yeah. My heels are always like the driest places. Neat. Wow. That's really cool. Yeah. Neato. I'm gonna use that. Yes. Yes. Here we go. Alright. I'm happy. Next. Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Ooh. Uses chapped lips, cuts and burns, severe dry sensitive skin, post-procedure skincare, and beauty hacks. Baby ointment. Alright. So it's like a... Okay, this I will bring on my little getaway trip that I'm going on very, very soon. Oh, neato. I dig that. Nice. Woo. Alright. I like. Next. Alright. Rose spray. Hydrating rose facial spray. What does that mean? Grace and Stella. Directions. Mix 4 to 5 sprays onto face with eyes closed before or after makeup. Oh, so it's like a finishing spray. Wait! I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna let you know what I think about it. I'll tell you. I'll tell you right nice. Oh. Ugh. My hand is dripping. Excuse me. What the F? I put on perfume. Aw, should I mess up my makeup? I put on perfume because I really like, that one stings. Because I bought it. It was like $80 because I had gotten it as a trial size, and I really liked it. So I never really had like expensive makeup, or that's a lie, like expensive perfume. And so this time I decided to. It's called You or Someone Like You. It's actually really pretty. Well, I mean, it just made me sneeze, but yeah, it's really pretty. Alright, so finishing spray. Spray all day. A lot of beauty gurus claim that like finishing spray is a must. I don't know what it does. It's water, so I don't understand. I really don't. But wait, okay, I put on makeup, so I'm gonna tell you what it smells like. Ooh. It's like a light scent. Oh, did it make me dewy? Ooh. Am I dewy? No, it's finishing spray. I really don't know what it does, and I don't know why people spend that much money on water. But, okay, I do notice a difference, and I definitely like it before you apply highlight. See, okay. Yeah, it's fine. I like that, though. Yeah, it's a lot, too, so that's awesome. Next. Alright. What? It's like a blankie. Oh, it's a towel. I could bring this where I'm going. Polyester. Wash separately or with light colors. Oh. It's really soft. I thought it was like a blanket. But I'm sorry, I'm out of the frame. I'm usually like, ooh, look at my. I don't have tattoos. It's not a thing. Alright. It's a towel. That makes sense. Alright, I've got two more things. Invisibobble. The traceless hair ring. I think I'm gonna have to check this out. What do you... Let's do it, man. Let's put our hair up. Be all super proper. It's like a telephone cord. Ow! Can you see it? So, what? So what? I don't. Okay. Six times, so it could be wound, like stretched up to 6 times, I think. Yeah, so I could definitely make that tighter. Huh. And it comes with different color too. I just used a clear one, and it has like that one. Let's see how easy it is to get. Ow! Oh. Ow! There goes all the hair I just grew using my sugar bear vitamins. Maybe I'll use it as a bracelet. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. If you guys have these, can you tell me if I just did that wrong? Because if I didn't, I don't really see the point to that, personally, but whatever. And I have one more item. Make this short and sweet. What is it? What is it? Generation Clay. Brightening purple clay mask. Oh, yeah. I love to use. Apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off. I love clay masks. I've noticed, I've tried so many different kinds of masks. And I'm sorry, I'm really out of focus. I've tried like ones where it's like clear and you peel it off. I don't like those. Those get stuck in my, it's just annoying to me. And but clay masks seem to do the most for my skin. But it may not work for you. Do you? If it works for you, if clay masks work for you, do it. Do what makes you happy. If clay masks don't work for you, then you don't use them. That's fine. Alright, I could probably use a bunch of things. Yeah, I'm telling you, there is a lot of product for how much you pay and how often you get it. Definitely yes. I do like spray. Lip balm. This will be coming to my excursion. My nice little, we need to get away for a while. It's gonna be great. Very excited about it. This exfoliating foot mask. Maybe I'll show myself using it. I'm sure I'll get tons of views because, you know, foot fetish, that's a thing. So, and people seem to like whenever I sneeze, which I actually just did again. This stuff didn't happen on purpose. It's the weirdest thing. Cause see, yeah, I'm learning things. It all happened on accident, but I'm not gonna complain because I got a lot of views. So thank you, in essence. This seems like a really good, you know, eyeliner. I dig it. I dig it. These, I don't know. It's telephone cord, so I'd be curious to see how much these are because it's a telephone cord. The traceless hair ring. I don't get it. Am I doing it wrong? Oh wait, traceless. High wear comfort. Hair loving. Strong grip. Non-soaking. Updo tool. Well, based on how hard that was to get out of my hair, I'd probably never wear these. That hurt like a mofo. But whatever. It's fine. Everything's fine. Alright, well. Wait, what else did I get? Oh yeah, and then my little necklace. Maybe. It's pretty. It's very dainty. It's not my style. But, you know, that's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna put him back in his little doodad. I mean, it's nice packaging and everything. Yeah. It's just not my thing. I like huge chunky jewelry. I don't know. That's just how I am, man. So yeah, that was wicked fun. Those were good products, so I'm probably gonna be bringing a bunch of those with me when I leave. It's gonna be fun. I might film when I'm at the place that I'm at because I figured that could be really fun. Don't you think? Look how I don't match. Wicked white and tan. Whatever. It's fine. Yeah, so I've learned not to edit out whenever I sneeze. Hey. If I make your day by sneezing, why should I deprive you of that? It's fine. Everything's fine. So this was wicked fun. Hope you enjoyed that. I think if you have $200 something, I think that's how much this costs for 4. It is really nice. You get really nice products. And 2, you can always use them for gifting. Because not everything, honestly, is my jam. Majority is. I mean, I love it. And 2, I love getting it. It's just really fun. It's like Christmas. So, I do... Why am I out of the screen? Whatever. Yeah, so I recommend it. that all that stuff was fun. Minus the jewelry, it's just not my style, but I mean, if you, it's fine. You can use it. Thank you very much. You'll probably hear from me in a few days in a different setting. I won't have like ring lighting and lighting over there and the backdrop and all that, but I'll be in, you know, my own element, and it'll, ooh, maybe I should get a tattoo on my forearm, my inner forearm. Maybe I will. What do you think? Until next time. Oh, remember to follow me on Instagram. All my handles are in the description box now. Twitter, Sweet Jamie Lee, and Snapchat. I hate Snapchat. If Snapchat would die, I'd be the happiest person in the world. I hate it. It's stupid. That's just my opinion. You may like it. It's fine. It's fine. Do you? If you like it, hallelujah. So follow me on all those. And until next time, be kind. Be kind, people. Put some color in your world. And stay humble. Bye, guys.